Hello students, hello viewers, welcome to this video. And this is the 41st video that we are going to look at, 41st word that we are going to look at. And the word for today is, let me spell it out for you. It is Recommended. Let me repeat, Recommended. And this word divides itself into 4 syllables. Let me tell you what the syllables are. The syllables are rec, mend, it. Syllable 1 is rec, syllable 2 is syllable 3 is mend, and syllable 4 is id. Recommended. Recommended. So rec, syllable 1 is rec, is syllable 2, syllable 3 is mend, and syllable 4 is did. Okay, so let us look at how this word is pronounced. So this word is pronounced in the following manner: recommended, 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 recommended. Now if you notice, now pause the video here and tell me how many, is there one syllable that is stressed, or are there 2 syllables that are stressed? Just pause the video here. Okay, so if you notice, obviously you can find out from after watching 40 videos, you can always find out that recommended, mend, the 3rd syllable is stressed, but there is one more stressed syllable here, and that since it divides itself into 4, I'm sharing the word with you. I'm sharing screen with you. So you have the first syllable carries the secondary stress, and the 3rd syllable carries the primary stress. So it's recommended, recommended. Now there are 2 or 3 things that we have to learn from this word. If there are 2 letters in the spelling, 2 repeated letters. So here we have a double M. So it is Recommended. Okay, so you have 2 letters. It is usually one sound. Okay, so it is not recommended. So here there is a problem. Tamil speakers and those speakers of English who have in their mother tongue, they might have what is called as gemination. Like we have when we say Tamil, in Tamil we say Managara Perundu, and between that, before we start the word Perundu, there will be ip. That ip will come, which is the geminate. Okay, so Managara Perundu. So there you have a problem. We'll say recommended. No, it is recommended. Recommended. So it is not recommended. So Tamil speakers will have this issue, and it's not a wrong thing, because look, that is the part, that is our mother tongue influence, and having the influence of our mother tongue is not wrong at all. The only point is we should know how to speak English as the English do. Okay, and use it wherever we want. I'm not saying no, go to the tier 3 city in Tamil Nadu and then say recommended. Never. Okay, so there you should speak in a manner which is understandable to the people there. And in academic circles, if you're a teacher or if you're a professor in a college, obviously you are going to use the standard pronunciation depending on the situation. So the standard pronunciation is recommended, and there are 2 stress syllables here. Rec takes the secondary stress, mend takes the primary stress. Okay, and well, there was a small thing before I close the. So primary and secondary is clear, and secondary will come always before the primary. The secondary stress syllable will always come before the primary stress syllable. Just one thing, there is another video that I promise you. See, I promised you many videos, almost 4 or 5. Anyway, I'll surely do it. Okay, just let the work in the college ease a bit, and then I'll surely do all these things. Promise. Okay. See, yesterday a student came to the department asking for the mentoring file. So she said mentoring file, and I immediately corrected her and I said, wherever you find the letter O doesn't mean that you have to pronounce it as an O. The letter O is not necessarily the O sound. Okay, so it is mentoring, mentoring. So the point is, this is my this is my take on pronunciation, on the pronunciation of Indian speakers. The moment you know where to put the schwa, the moment you know which syllable to weaken, you would have cracked the English lexical pronunciation. You would have cracked the the basics of pronunciation, and you will start sounding like a like a standardized speaker of English, like a standard speaker of English. So there's one more thing I wanted to share with you with this word. If you see, you have recommend, and we have added, let me share screen again, recommend. To the word recommend we have added ed. So what happens when we add suffixes to a word? Like for example, you have mentor, mentor, mentor. You are adding ing to it, it becomes mentoring. So what will be, is there any difference in pronunciation, or is there a shift in stress when such things are added, when such suffixes are added, or even when such affixes are added, to be more precise, because it could be a suffix, it could be a prefix. We'll again talk about that. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching this video. When there are two letters in a word which occur near each other, and the letters are the same, then they translate into one sound. So if there are two m's, it will be one m sound. If there are two t's, it will be one t sound. Okay, as we progress through these videos, you'll understand what we are dealing with, and I'm sure, I'm very confident that you would understand the basics of English pronunciation. And please keep practicing. Please look forward to the next video. Please keep asking your questions, and best of luck.